Hello, everyone. My Saturday was pretty quiet on June 1st. I've been pretty quiet. Having a pretty quiet weekend, not really doing that much, just hanging out and try to keep to myself and keep myself entertained. And I'm just kind of bored. Um, my Saturday wasn't really that interesting. I just sat around mostly and talked with my caregiver from Adaptive. I've had them for a couple since the 22nd of May, and for a couple of days. So far, they're good. It's just happened to adjust to a new company and all that fun stuff. And let's see. I can't do any live streams on my YouTube because I don't have any followers or subscribers. They made a new rule where you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers to do a live stream. So I got to do recordings instead, which that's okay. Sorry on my medicine, and I'm still stuffy in my nose because I got real bad nose sores in my nose. And right now my eyes are starting to water. I don't know why, but they're starting to water. And so let's see, what can I tell you? It's been a while since I did a recording. I haven't been really doing that much, just trying to keep to myself and keep myself entertained and occupied. And trying to stay cool. Trying to get this nose sore to heal. And hang on, my eyes are really watering. I don't know why they're watering so bad. Really bad for some reason. I don't understand. I can't open my eye. It's a little irritated, I see. And so I hope everybody's been doing well since I last checked in. And all that fun stuff. And I've been doing all right. Right now we're having thunderstorms here in Indiana. And right now we're having thunderstorms where I'm at in Indiana. Hang on just a second. I gotta wipe my eyes. Relax. Stop watering. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I just had to get my eye to open up. And so I had to take a tissue and dab it. And it's been pretty quiet right now. It's been raining a lot in May. Towards the end of May, it was really raining real bad. And I'm glad it's not snow. But we've been having a lot of thunderstorms here lately for about a couple weeks now here in Indiana. and it's just been pretty quiet and not really much going on. I've just been trying to hang out and find stuff to do, and just been real bored with myself. I'm locked out. I'm locked out of my Facebook account. I can't get into it. Or I'm not locked out of it. I can. I'm not locked out of it. I can still get into it. I just can't post anything for 3 days because I posted a picture of Kate Upton. It was a swimsuit picture. Didn't have no swim top on, and I guess you can't have nudity and stuff on Facebook anymore, which I think is goofy. And I guess they made a new rule or something that goes against the community rules or something. So if you ever post any swimsuit photos or any type of nudity on Facebook, you can't do that anymore. They'll lock you or they'll prevent you from posting for 3 days. And it's their policy, I guess, now. And which I think is goofy. I don't know why they have that for. And that's, I can understand why, but still, it was just a Sports Illustrated swimsuit photo is all it was. They didn't have to lock me out of prevent me from posting anything for 3 days. So I just been using my Twitter account more frequently and trying to use YouTube more, get the hang of that, and just trying to find out what to do. I'm pretty bored sitting here by myself all the time, trying to find ways to entertain myself and just hang out and watch movies on my Fire Stick and all that fun stuff, and just try to find ways to entertain myself. I been doing pretty well though. I'm adapting to my new home care agency place. And I like how it's owned by 2 vets, and they're pretty strict on everything, which that's good to be that way. And I can't believe Above and Beyond is going down so fast. They were a good healthcare agency or home care agency. They just broke the state rules that you're not supposed to. I don't know what happened over there, but they're going down fast, and they're gonna be ending up closing pretty soon. So I wish them the best though. And I've been doing pretty good with Adaptive so far. It's been a couple days since I signed up with them. I signed up with them on the 22nd of May. And so far they've been pretty good. And it's pretty easy taking care of me. I really don't. It's okay taking care of me. There's not really much to do here, so it's pretty busy trying to keep them busy and occupied and whatnot. And some of the aides that I have at Adaptive are trying to adjust to these new rules and this new way of doing everything on your phone. And some like it, some don't. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, I've been doing real well, just trying to keep myself entertained and occupied. And I've been doing as much as I can. I can do most things, but having cerebral palsy, it doesn't really help. I have a lot of balance issues, and just trying to keep myself entertained and occupied and all that fun stuff, and just I'm pretty bored most of the time, I watch a lot of Fire Stick stuff on my Amazon Fire Stick, and mess around on Twitter, Facebook when I can start posting again. And mostly Twitter and YouTube. I like YouTube a lot, and I don't have any subscribers on YouTube or anything. I just post on my channel about my day, how it went, but I just try to find ways to keep myself entertained and occupied. So anyway, good night, everyone. Right now it's raining here in Muncie, and all that. Here in Indiana it's raining, and we've been having a lot of rain the past couple days, or the past couple weeks. God bless, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Night Owl signing off for now, and take care, and have a peaceful Sunday and a good week ahead. I can't believe it's June 2nd, 2019. I can't believe how fast this year's gone by. And so, God bless, and I'll keep in touch. And I'll probably make another recording in a few days. And take care. Night Owl signing off for now, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. God bless, and take care, and have a great weekend and a good week ahead.